So, there's a helicopter flying over my house. So, I was editing this video that I filmed many weeks ago, and, I'm crying inside. Yeah, something like that. Honestly, I didn't think it would be that bad once I was editing it, but, I'm actually watching it now and I'm crying inside. I can't watch this. It's actually very hard for me to watch. I know this is a cursed word that was overused in 2016, but this video is pure cringe. Not my good friend Ellie, playing with pain, whatever you call him, myself. It's just a series of over-exasperated laughter, and it's just very awkward. I'm an awkward person. I don't know. I just wanted to let you know that whatever I say in this video is not a representation of how I really am on the inside. It's just a representation of how I am on the outside. So I hope you enjoy my first video, which will inevitably be my demise, my death. Rest in peace. Have a good school year. I'll be roasting in hell. She disappeared across the boardwalk. She keeps the sunset bright with movement in her eyes.
You know. Alright, hi. I have my friend Emma here. She's really good at art.
I'm hyped.
My left hand happens to be the most useless part of my body. My left hand is like a piece of meat that was like surgically attached to my wrist because it does not.
Me too.
It like has no feeling. So I'm not ambidextrous.
Mine's just not supposed to be there. We're going by reference. I know that's like a sin to some people, but we're going by reference because that's
Absolutely.
what we do.
We're also gonna use gel pens because I need an excuse to actually use these things, you know?
Like that one's simple.
Right, yeah, I might need simple at this point.
Yeah, we should probably not do realistic. Oh my god, I just put my pencil in my left hand and I'm already not feeling it.
Yeah, I know, I like feel wrong. Okay, oof. Like I don't want to. My hand is resisting.
Okay. I'm gonna start with the
no! That was supposed to be a circle. If you watch like Bailey J do this, she talks about how like, oh, well, drawing with your left hand shouldn't be that hard because it's like the same thing you're doing when you're drawing with your right hand, and like the skills are still there. But sister, the skills are not still there. Too hard. No, you don't understand. I am so bad with my left hand. Look at this.
She needs a forehead reduction, girl.
Look at what mine looks like before you hate on yours. We gonna erase with our right hand because I don't have time for that.
She got some big old. It's like. Wow. What is wrong with her?
Why does yours look so pretty? Somehow.
Boy, she looks like she's freaking E.T.
I'm already not super great with drawing for reference because I usually use like the grid method. But
the grid method. Me and the grid left-handed. Me and the grid method, we're not really fond of each other.
Your right hand. But yes, continue. Like I'm facing a moral. How did you do an eye like that with your left? Emma, she is so good at art, you guys. I'm gonna link her channel in the description and her art account. If you don't check it out, get off. Like she's so good at art. Right.
Yours looks good.
I'm gonna admit I did kind of save it a little bit. I don't really know how that. Okay.
The eye looks good.
Fix the face shape.
It looks at least like it doesn't look like. You could. They're like sisters, not twins. Like it's like it looks proportionate.
It's like you.
Mine is just something else. I don't know what
versus the guy should tell you not to worry about. At this point, it's just gonna be that. My left hand like refuses and like it doesn't want to. It's like no, sis, stop. What are you doing? I need to break my arm so I can learn to use this.
Like my personality's crap and like my face is crap, so like drawing is like the only thing I got going for me right now.
Neither of that was true, but also relate. You're still like I would believe that somebody drew that with the right hand. Look at that nose. It's beautiful.
You're like right hand.
Yours is
your right hand's screaming and your left hand's like high on something you don't know what. It's like
exactly.
I don't know what kind of drugs you're taking left hand, but I want some.
Like oh, I want to cheat so hard for them filming. This is the kind of thing.
I'm gonna cheat and use my right hand to erase again.
Yeah, no, I did that too.
I'm just gonna.
I I'm just gonna keep drawing it, and even if it looks horrible, not try to fix it.
I believe in you. The thing is, I'm not like trying to draw it in my like art style or anything. I'm just trying to copy the picture because I feel like that's easier.
I am also just trying to copy the picture, but it turns out I can't. Okay, that looks kind of good. Not really, just kind of. That's me with all my art. Look at her eyelash, please, just and tell me what you see.
I see some bodacious lashes.
Any people just watching this and judging, just freaking try it, okay? Like, it's hard. This looks like it came from actual hell. I might just go straight into the gel. Like, do I use a gel pen for the line art?
That's what I'd do.
Okay.
You could like, you could like do line art, then you could do like little accents with like another color.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna start coloring. I think I was looking forward to coloring. I just realized I have to do it with my left hand. It's gonna be even worse.
You're like, never mind.
Hey, Mom, we're trying to film some.
Don't be sorry, it's fine.
Don't be sorry, but it's just like, oh.
When I said that to my mom, she'd beat me up.
Mom, I'm trying to bring in the money.
The money.
Once I get to 2K subscribers, I think it actually starts paying. Right now I'm at 17.
Mom, calm down. I'm trying to be a YouTuber over here.
Mom, trying to film. It's not a phase, Mom.
It's not a phase, Mom. People tell me to give up. I completely agree with you.
All of those haters who tried to knock me down.
You're right.
Yeah. You're right, I quit.
So let's just make a thread of like people hating me and I'll just join it.
No, I'm actually the leader of the thread. Like I
made
posted
the thread.
first post. A playing with paint hate thread.
It's Kuriakin. I don't even know how to pronounce my own channel name.
I would pronounce it Curikin.
Oh, I love Curikin.
It like sounds
like somebody who has that name is just gonna be like, that's wrong.
You're an idiot.
You're an idiot.
Why are you using my country's foreign sacred language?
Sacred language name.
For your white girl agenda. The gay agenda? What do people say?
Oh, the gay agenda.
Yeah, it's the white girl agenda. What's the hetero agenda?
The hetero agenda? Is that a thing?
I don't know.
What's with all these agendas, man?
Mom, look at my art. Look at how beautiful it is.
You're an excellent artist. Yours is like Ariel's mother. Thinner and we're gone. She's in the water. She's been hungry. She's only eating the forks.
Wow. Yeah, for those of you that may not have heard that on the audio quality, my mom just said that my drawing looks more like Ariel's mother, who has been only eating the forks. She has had a dingle hopper diet.
I'm like taking my time. I need to just...
No. I did that and look at what happened. Don't. Yours looks so good. Just keep it.
No, it doesn't. This mouth is just a series of scribbles.
But it like, looks like a mouth.
You just thicken the line art so it hides your mistakes. That's my secret. My Ariel looks like she just had like a rough night at the club right now.
She does look a little bit
mascara running, lines blurred
lines. I don't like the knowing look the reference picture is giving us, I will say.
The knowing look. She's like, I see what you doing. I just want to pick up my right hand and just be like...
I know. It's like my right hand is in a fist right now because it's so irritated at my left. It's like, brother, what the heck?
I'm like...
Emma, why does yours look good?
Ear. Voldemort looking.
Okay, this definitely looks very high quality. I think I would price this at around 200 pounds. So
200 pounds?
Yeah, I just like to think like maybe this is very abstract. And, like this is the
abstract
red
me too.
And this is like the ocean in the background, like these are waves. I think it looks great. Honestly, subscribe.
I'm like emotionally just upset.
Detached.
You're like,
I'm detached. I'm going to die. I no longer hold hope for my future. I'm watching me actually look at art.
That's really good. That's good too, Eliana. I know I've seen you draw Ariel so many times.
I've drawn Ariel twice in my life, and you weren't there for either of those times.
I've ever drawn anything Disney. Ever.
Really? No, you drew Stitch and Bambi, you liar.
Oh, I drew them on Karen. Yeah, I forgot about that. I think that was the first time I ever drew anything Disney when Karen made me draw.
All right. internet fam, you may notice, sorry, I wasn't really getting your frame there, Emma, that we have done a little bit since you last saw us, but that is because my mom needed her phone. So Emma is done with her line art. You can see that she's doing her coloring. I think mine is complete. I really feel very confident about this one. I feel like a win is imminent, you know, especially with how good it turned out. So basically, this is probably the worst thing I've ever drawn in my life. But you know, like that's okay. If you guys are wondering, because Emma's looks very good, if she did it like with her right hand while the camera was away, I'm gonna say that I was there and she didn't.
I did not. I drew one line.
She did that line.
I did I did this little line right here.
Because she's a freaking cheater.
Little baby.
Ariel's unibrow is looking pretty good though. Definitely love the fact that her hair.
She's giving some Frida vibes.
Like, what if somebody's hair actually looked like that? I feel like that's something I would like to study more and like look into more. I can't wait until this video is over because that way I know I can rip up this drawing and throw it in the
I won't
garbage.
let you. I like capture its beauty before.
It's literally on video.
I'm taking this.
The,
No.
the beauty is gonna be captured.
We gotta do it for your story, man.
Absolutely not.
Okay, I'm done with this. This is
You're not.
I gave up.
Alright, we're gonna take a look up close in a second.
So
So you could only see it up, down, up, help, and upside down.
for lighting purposes.
Yes. But this is what mine looks like. I bet you're so shocked. I bet it looks so great. Yeah, I definitely. This is Emma's. Notice how it actually looks like kind of okay.
I gave up on the coloring.
I definitely lost. I lost hard. I lost very hard. But anyway, check out Emma. I should know how to fix her. I just noticed that.
Thank you.
She has a channel, which I will link, and a art account, which I will shout out relentlessly on my account. Like, look, she's so good at drawing. That's not even the best one. She has a really good one in there. A couple, actually.
Subscribe to my account for maybe a sketch Victoria if Ellie spams me enough.
Yeah, I'm trying to get her to do a sketchbook tour because her sketchbook is so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I lost so bad.
No, you didn't. I love it. I want to marry it.
She's lying to preserve my feelings, which is like nice and flattering, but also